Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to another science class. Our today's topic is life and living things, and we are going to study about 7 characteristics of living things. Firstly, there comes feed. All living things feed to produce energy and to grow. Grow. Animals grow until they reach a certain height, while plants grow continuously throughout their lives. Excretion. All living things produce waste material from their body that is called excretion. Move. Animals move by using their legs, wings, or fins, while plants move by growing towards or away from something. Respond. Animals use sense organs such as eyes and ears to respond to what is going on around them, while plants do not have sense organs but can still react by growing towards things such as light and water. Now here comes reproduce. All living things must reproduce to replace those that die. Respiration. Living things need energy to grow, to move, and to enable the body to work properly. Energy is released from food in a process called respiration. Now here comes the topic special cells. Every cell is special and does a special job. Nerve cells. Nerve cells have long thin fibers which carry messages from one part of the body to another. Epithelial cells are thin and flat. They are found in layers covering surfaces such as the skin, lining of the blood vessels, and the alimentary canal. These cells help in protection and absorption. Pollen grains are cells. Some pollen grains have a spiky surface to help them stick to the bodies of insects. Others have tiny wings to enable them to be carried by the wind. Both adaptations help in pollination. Red blood cells carry oxygen round the body. They have a large surface area to pick up lots of oxygen. Now here comes the topic cells, tissues and organs. A group of similar cells doing the same job is called tissue, while different tissues combine to make an organ. Now here comes fourth week topic, organ system. Breathing system exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide. Digestive system breaks down food into small molecules and absorbs them into the blood. Liver, stomach, small intestine and large intestine make up the digestive system. Nervous system carries messages around the body. Brain, spinal cord and nervous system make up the nervous system. Excretory system gets rid of poisonous substances from the blood and controls water levels in the body. Circulatory system transports substances to all parts of the body. Heart, arteries and veins are the part of circulatory system. The next topic is animal cells versus plant cells. The diagrams show an animal cell from inside a human cheek and a plant cell from a leaf. Animal and plant cells have 3 similarities. Nucleus is the control center of the cell, which is present in both cells. The cytoplasm is all the living matter except for the nucleus. The cell membrane is a thin skin around the outside of the cell. There are some additional features of animal and plant cells. These are cell wall, which is a rigid firm coating round the outside of the cell membrane. It helps the plant cell keep its shape. Chloroplasts contain a green chemical called chlorophyll. This is the chemical which enables green plants to use the sun energy to make food during photosynthesis. The vacuole is a large space in the middle of the cell. It is filled with a fluid called cell sap.